Thank you very much, Michelle. I feel like an ant amongst giants, actually, when I see what the committee has done and their commitment to making this event successful. It's just amazing, an amazing group of people, and so thank you for being here. I also brought my notes. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. I am Mitch Gonzalez with Three Men Movers, and it's a profound honor to stand before you today here at the Wine Meets Whiskey event. A gathering that melts the warmth of community with the spirit of philanthropy. Very important. Tonight we're all united not just by the refined notes of the wine and the rich undertones of the whiskey, but by a shared commitment to a deeply profound cause. At Three Men Movers, we understand that every move and every journey begins with a step. And every move carries a story. The fight against Alzheimer's and dementia is a story that weaves through the fabric of way too many lives. A narrative we are dedicated to changing. Our company stands here today proud to sponsor this significant event because we believe in action. We believe in doing everything within our power to support the Alzheimer's Association and the Longest Day. Our vision goes beyond moving belongings. It's about moving hearts, minds, and communities towards a world without Alzheimer's. Let us remember that as we savor every sip tonight, we're part of something larger. We are part of a collective pledge that says we will not rest until the world remembers without fear of forgetting. Our involvement with the Alzheimer's Association and the Longest Day is not merely a partnership, it's a promise to stand firm, to push forward until the day we can celebrate the first survivor of Alzheimer's, which until last year I didn't know was a reality, which is very scary, so we gotta do something about that. So let's raise our glasses, not just for a night of enjoyment, but for a future of memories retained and cherished. Together we, with resolve as strong as the whiskey and as hopeful as the wine, we move towards a cure. Thank you. And with that, it's showtime.
I believe
Let's
so.
go. All right, partner. Shane's my partner here tonight. So, all right. You got to go first here. Here we go.
Thank you, Mitch. That was a great speech. Might need to hire you as my speech writer. That was beautiful. Howdy, everyone. Howdy. Come on, I'm not even an Aggie, but howdy. There we go. My name is Shane Rankin. I'm a financial strategist with the Fitzpatrick Group, along with my business partner, Luke Jander, over here. And this is our second year. We were charter members as event partners for the first Wine Meets Whiskey last year, and we will be doing this until Michelle doesn't invite us back, because I don't think it's going to happen. But I'm really, really grateful to see all of these faces, all the faces in this room. Some of them I know very well, some of them, this is the first time that we've met tonight, and I'm just so happy that each and every one of you made it out tonight, and very grateful for this amazing cause. As of about 15 minutes ago, we are at about $8,000 raised off this event alone. We have $2,000 more to hit our goal, so please get with the silent auction tonight. So at the Fitzpatrick Group, we're a financial services company in nature. So anything, retirement planning, those types of things. But really what I want to focus on today is long-term care. This is not a very fun conversation to have, but in this spectrum, it's a very necessary one. Health insurance or health costs are rising. Home health care is on the rise, and we want to help those individuals really prepare for those things, get it budgeted out, and be able to solve those long-term care issues that may arise in your latter years or even earlier years of life. First, outside of that aspect of my company, I do want to really sincerely thank my volunteers. Thank you so much. All the people that are going to be pouring wine tonight, yes, thank you. I myself am a very active volunteer and very active in philanthropy, and all of the folks that are here tonight representing Alzheimer's Foundation, as well as those that are pouring the wine and the whiskey, are all members of the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo Wine Garden Committee, the best committee at the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. so please come out and see us in 2024, raise some money for scholarships there as well. I also want to thank the committee, the event partners, my beautiful wife who has literally done so much for this event. Her and Michelle have been going crazy with this in a good way. And I'm just very, very grateful to be here. And if you have any questions or thoughts or ideas for next year, we'd love to hear them. We always want to improve this. We want to grow this. Last year, I believe we had about 70 some odd people in the room. This year, we have close to 100. Next year, we want to do 150. So we want to keep growing this every single year, raising money for the cause, and we want to have that first survivor in our lifetime from Alzheimer's. So thank you very much for coming tonight.